Dear webcam manufacturers, primarily Logitech, I love your webcams. I really do. I love that we have so many options, both in terms of specs and quality, but also for what they're intended to be used for. There's super basic webcams for quick video calls, all the way up to more professional-oriented webcams like the Brio 4K Pro webcam. Higher resolution, more megapixels, higher frame rates, USB 3.0, things are improving with the hardware. I couldn't be happier about that fact. I really couldn't. But the software, the camera settings tools, haven't improved much since ever. It sucks. It's nice that we now have manual control over some general settings for the webcam, but these aren't the right settings. These are a band-aid to the actual problem at hand. Here's what I'd really want you to do. Give us an advanced settings tool to control the actual camera's settings. You know, the shutter speed, the aperture, the ISO. It's a camera, so it functions on those settings, not brightness and post-processing contrast or color intensity. That's fine, but let me control how the camera actually feeds video, how the sensor actually takes in video. I have to imagine that's the only possible way that I can truly lock it down and keep the frame rate stable on otherwise very unstable webcams. I'm sure it would be a support nightmare. Webcams are a mainstream product for a generalized audience, but that's the whole point of releasing pro models, right? Make it an advanced tool, a secondary download buried in menus with no support given and a big reset button for those who can't get it right. But please, let me manually set the settings. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's somehow not possible. I would accept that if there was an explanation given with such an answer and proof that that was true or something. But until then, I can't help but feel we're limited in what we can do with these webcams. I really feel like the result we could get would be much better if we had this control, at least for those of us who are making videos and streaming. I don't expect insane results from the hardware and the tiny sensors. I don't even expect new products. I just want to be given actual professional control options for your professional webcams. Is that too much to ask?